wrist on, really rockin' diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna leave me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name savvy bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a bambi. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy.
All right, y'all. So I'm going to show y'all a side-by-side comparison, y'all. This is the transparent lace that other wig companies offer. And then here's the new clear lace that XRSBEAUTY offers. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to apply this lace using Got To Be Spray because that's all you need. I'm going to apply the clear lace first. And as y'all can see, it's literally undetectable. You can't even see that the lace is there. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the transparent lace. And the transparent lace looks good too, but it's still not that clear lace that XRSBEAUTY provides, okay? All right, y'all. So I did my ball cap. This is my second time doing my ball cap because the first ball cap I used the Eben Wonder Lace adhesive spray. And I don't know what it is. Maybe it's my head shape. Maybe I got a weird head, but it just won't lay down. So I'm going in with the Touch by Misty Lace Glue. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this glue, so I'm going to be trying it out also in today's video. Y'all know I don't use wig glue. I usually use one of the Eben New York sprays, but I said, you know what? I need this wig to stay on my head. And the way it's advertised, I'm like, all right, let me try it out. So we're going to be using this glue today. Actually, I can't talk. I've been drinking. The glue actually dries fast because, damn, it's already clear. I just put it on, so that's good. Yeah, that's not a promo or nothing. I'm just like trying it out. I bought it with my own money, all that. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the ball cap method. And then we will get to styling the beautiful wig that was sent to me by XRSBEAUTY. While I'm waiting for this wig cap to dry, let me tell y'all something. XRSBEAUTY, they shitting on all the wig vendors out here. They got the best lace. They got this thing called clear lace. And it's so, y'all, like, I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to pluck, nothing. It just came as is. So this is perfect for beginners. There's nothing wrong with the hair. It's soft, it's beautiful, it's flowy. Y'all can see the quality just from looking at the screen. I wish this was longer. Like, I really wish XRS would send me like a 28, 30 inch. Like, I would never take that wig off my head. But the XRS usually sends about like 18 inch to 20 inch. But this is just, the quality is just gorgeous and insane. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the wig install. I hope you guys love today's video. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and let that glue dry. Now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, y'all. You already know the point of doing this is so you can look bald-headed, and that's exactly what I look, y'all. I look bald-headed. That's what you're doing this for, okay? Then I want to show you guys this gorgeous wig that XRSBEAUTY sent me, all right? It comes with 4 combs, and it also comes with a elastic band if you do want to attach that. I'm not attaching that, but that's if you want to. Let's get into this clear lace, y'all. Do y'all see this? I had to zoom in and show y'all this lace. I put it on my forehead so y'all can see. It literally looks like it's growing out of your scalp. I don't know any other company, any other wig vendor, hair vendor. I don't know any other vendor with a flawless lace like this. And this wig did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, you guys. So this wig is perfect for beginners. If you just want to buy a wig and plop it on your head, XRSBeauty.com. That's all I'm going to say, okay? Now, I'm going in with the Touch by Misty Lace Glue. And I think I put too much, y'all, because this glue is advertised on Instagram as if it can pull TVs, you can pull a couch, like all of that. Y'all, I used 5 layers, and it's came off within 2 days. So I don't know if I'm applying too much glue. I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong. Y'all tell me, because y'all know I don't really use glue. I usually use the Eben New York lace spray. So yeah, that's my review on this glue. It did dry fast, y'all. It dried clear very fast. I went in with 5 layers, and it really didn't give what it be saying it gave on Instagram. So unfortunately, I did buy 2 of her glues. So I'm going to go ahead and try again with another wig. I'm going to try to, I don't know. I'm going to try to figure it out. If it doesn't work again, I will come back and let y'all know, you know what I'm saying, my recommendations, if y'all should buy it or not. Okay, I don't know. So now this is after 5 layers of glue, y'all. And where I think I messed up, y'all, is because you're supposed to let the glue dry clear. But after like the 4th layer, y'all, that shit was not going clear. I sat there for like 45 minutes and it was not going clear. So I got aggravated and I just went ahead and put the damn wig on my head. So throughout the rest of this video, y'all will see my hairline will look a little white. But I am going to go in and blend that in with some concealer. Okay, y'all. So if y'all go through this, y'all impatient like me and y'all don't let the glue dry, listen, some of the glue gonna dry, not all of it, but all you need is a little bit of concealer or foundation, do your makeup, and everything will blend flawlessly, trust me. Now I'm going in with my elastic band. Y'all listen, your wig will never be laid if you don't tie this band down, okay? And I'm talking for at least 5 minutes, all right, y'all? At least 5 minutes. So I left this on for 5 minutes. Then when I took it off, of course, my wig, the hairline is the new clear lace. So of course it was flawless. But the white glue was still showing, but I got it right at the end of today's video. So I decided to do a side part, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. This is just a super basic hairstyle, y'all. I was not trying to go fancy and go do, you know what I mean? But yeah, so if you guys are interested in checking out XRS Beauty, go ahead and click the link down below. I do not have a coupon code, unfortunately, for y'all. But I highly, highly, highly do recommend this wig company. And of course, this wig. They did their thing with this wig, okay? So thank you so much to XRS Beauty for sponsoring today's video and always sending me high quality, beautiful, undetectable wigs, okay? So I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored with myself, then you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this tab, no. I've been up, baby, every reminiscing, every young missing you, wish it was different than what it was. I've been up, baby, lost in the universe, lost in no finding us. I've been up, baby, and if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wanted, if I hate you, fuck you. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
Wrist on me, rockin' diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna leave me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name savvy bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. And I'm sipping on.
I'm just flexing on my ex bitch.
bean. I was flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I'm just starting on my. And I'm sipping on that codeine. I was flexing on my ex bitch. I'm just starting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I'm just starting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch.